freaking love you.
That's as good as it gets. I don't care what anyone says.
1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Raven.
Well, I am doing a little scouting. I just had a bird gobble. I cannot figure out where he's at though. It's pretty thick up here. Opening day is in 2 days, so just trying to get a bunch of different plans, a bunch of different places figured out. But I'm gonna stay put. I'm not gonna push it any further. See if I can't get him to gobble one more time, and then play it safe and go from there. I'd like to get up in here and kill one of these birds. It's just awesome up here. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's just a big open flat, so we'll see. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna stay put and see if I can get him to gobble one more time, and then try to locate him a little bit better, because last he gobbled there was an airplane flying over like this. He sounded pretty far away still, so anyways, hopefully it all pans out. Looking good for opening day, and we're excited for it. So wait for this plane to fly over and see if I can get him to go. That plane is taking forever, so I ran out of patience. Boom. Alright, well that's good to know. He's there. You probably can't hear him. He hasn't moved from when I first got him to gobble, but he did hammer off again, so that's potential. We'll see. We'll see what we find before opening day. But alright, losing daylight quick. Good morning, guys. It is the day before the opener. Just got up here nice bright and early. Birds are still in the tree. Got them locked down, so I don't know, it's looking pretty good. A few toms in this group, and got them pretty well patterned, so we'll see. We got this, or where I showed you guys last night is where we're going to end up probably hunting, so it's exciting. I don't know, I'm ready for opening day to kick off, so we'll see you guys here soon. We did it. We made it. We're here. Opening morning. Scott went out and scouted last night and found a couple toms up in the mountains, up in the timber. So that's the plan for this morning. I'm gonna go chase those. We are all very excited. It's been what feels like forever. And now we finally get to go do what we love to do. So, yeah, I'm tired. Didn't get much sleep. 2-year-old climbed into bed last night about 1. It's like sleeping with a little tornado, so that's never fun. With a night of little sleep, to have him roll in, it's just icing on top of the cake, or icing on the cake, I think is what people say. I don't know, but anyways, tired. Got rolling too deep with energy drinks, so hopefully the endorphins are pumping. We got some turkeys flopping. We'll see you guys in a bit. Good morning, sunshine.
Morning.
Are you excited?
I am excited.
I got Western. We got busted by some guys that came over the hill, which then in turn busted some turkeys. Got them all nervous, which in then turn we ended up killing a bird, and it's kind of a rodeo. But long story short, we did get one. I'm happy we set up here. If we'd have went down there over that lip,
Oh yeah.
it'd have been bad news bears. Yeah. This was the right call. It just unfortunately didn't work out quite the way we wanted it to, but it worked out good enough to get ourselves a bird.
We got one.
Yes, we did.
This was our only chance too, because those homies were about.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they were gone.
What up, bro?
What up, dog?
Y'all having a shootout at the OK Corral this morning?
That's about what it was, my guy. It was quite the situation. Let me tell you what. That's the first turkey I've ever shot out of the air. Gotcha. All right, homie. Well, I'll freaking hit you up here in a little bit. We're gonna bounce, go try to get ourselves another bird.
Do you think, buddy? All right, good luck.
Thanks, buddy. Bye.
A new plan. A new spot. Justin and Scott are up to bat. Had a couple toms across the river. Gonna get right directly on the other side of them. Try to call them back across. They're strutting, so I'm assuming they have a hen with them. We didn't see a hen, so we're gonna sneak in over here and try to get in position. See if we can kill these turkeys. We had to flip around because the turkeys went past us, and now they're gonna jump across. So we spun around. Shoot them whenever you're ready. Dude, how did you fuck that up? I couldn't tell it was a Tom or a Jake. I couldn't see the beard.
Day 2. Today is a travel day for me. I'm driving to the airport right now. I am flying out to go meet up with Drew and Kyle. We are going to be chasing some birds. Excited. I'm going to be knocking off a new state on my list, and then we're going to be heading up and tackling some big old, hopefully some long spurred birds. So we're looking forward to it, man. I'm looking forward to it. We're all looking forward to it. So yesterday was crazy. Yesterday was fun. It was a good time. So today will be a travel day.
Let's go, dude. Let's go. Let's go, dude. Let's go.
Good shot.
Oh, let's go check this gun out.
Good shot, Jay.
That was awesome.
That's so sweet, dude. Let me see that bird again.
How big do you think his spurs are, Jaybird?
7 inches. Inch and a half?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
they
dude.
Look it, dude. They look it. Maybe even a little bit more.
That's the biggest spurred reel I think I may have ever seen in my whole life.
And last year it was your bird that was the biggest spurred that we'd ever seen too.
Yeah.
Same spot too. That's freaking sweet.
Okay.
Later,
All right, later guys.
Later.